no, it's a red layer underneath. Oh, see? Like this, 3 dots. Let's do it then. Nice, 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 nice. Welcome to the second episode of this season of Watch Modder I dedicated to mod this 6900. In the previous episode, if you haven't watched it, it's right here. I inverted this part of the screen and left this circles negative. And I worn it for a couple of days, and now I feel like yeah, I don't like the color. I want to change the background color, so I need to disassemble it and remove the back film of the screen and replace it with something else. And I invite you to join me on this journey. I need to take out the screen again, and now I am pretty sure that I need just to remove this beautiful shiny part, and then I would remove this red part as well. Oh, it's not glued. Maybe I need to leave it for later. It's interesting that it's blurry, so you can't see much underneath it. I hope I will not break the screen, so wish me luck on that. Oof, I see. It's even funnier. So this is, I guess, a polarizing film. We will find out in a sec. Underneath, there is this red layer. Mamma mia. Oh no, it's a red layer underneath. Yes, so this is foggy layer that, oh no, yeah, it's a polarizing film on the back. So every screen has one on the front, one on the back. That's how it works. And then I have this red thingy here, which I hoped is a film, but apparently it's not. What is it then? Crazy mumbo jumbo. I need to remove glue first. I have a feeling that this remover also removes something pinkish, you see? Oh, okay. Okay, so we are doing it. Yay! Yay! Cool. Let's do it then. Nice, 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 nice. That's what I want. That's what I need. But everything else is in place. Yet, I must say that it actually plays along with my idea that I have and I wanted to share with you. So I went through many pages to see how the 6900 look like, and they all have these dots on top, see, like this 3 dots in the middle of the circles, and I think that it kills uniqueness. If you have 6900, it has the same details as any other 6900, even though it's extremely versatile design-wise model. So you can have it in plenty of colors and variations, you know, very colorful, very subtle, and so on and so forth. But there is always this 3 dots that kind of a signature of it, but at the same time, in my opinion, the circles themselves is a signature. So you can just go on without the dots, but I'm not sure. I can just remove them. Uh-oh, -1, -2. So now we have a clean glass. I was already somewhere in editing when I learned that the most of my footage was shot with the wrong mic settings. So basically all the audio levels are messed up. You can just even see it graphically. I can show you. So this is okay and this is wrong. So don't get surprised that my voice changed since it's recorded in a different setting, and let's try to make some sense out of it. Nice and smooth. It's good enough. Now when the screen itself is done, I need to find some solution for the background. Of course, I could keep it just monochrome, gray, but why not having fun with it? I had three options to play around with. First is this green stripe that glows in dark, very bright and juicy color. Another one is this gray film, also glows in dark. And third option is not glowing in dark, but just a really nice orange-red color that's really hard to convey with the camera, but it looks really cool. However, this red one was almost immediately out of the competition because it's a little bit too dark to my taste, and yeah, I decided to go with something brighter. And then I make a mistake by sticking it on paper, because check this out. Basically, the backlight is not going through this paper, and I should have known better and use something transparent. So I need to make an iteration on this. I still have zero clue what this magic mirror film does. If you know, please let me know in the comments. Looks like it's transparent also, at least for the backlight. I have zero clue, and I think I'm not gonna even use it. This actually should be my first thought when I was choosing the background, to check if the light going through them actually, and yes, it does. At this point I feel like the choice of color was the right one, because I like how it's catching my eye. Again, I need to assemble it. Let's check this out in the dark. This time everything works. It's time to assemble it and let it sit on my wrist for some week to decide what I want to change next. Almost forgot. That's how it would look if you go indoors after being exposed to daylight. You don't have to use some special light, it's just for the demonstration. It should work just with daylight, easily. By the way, you still can see the circles have black dots, even though I removed them. But actually it's polarizing film. You will see the difference in the next episode when I invert the colors of the top part of the screen. In the next episode, LCD screen tortured again, glowing in dark, abstract art, sanding, and much more. Don't forget to smash subscribe and bell buttons. See ya!